We are powering India's nuclear future.
Advancing Atmanirbhar Bharat through manufacturing and engineering in India.
We are supporting Government of India's 100 gigawatt target by 2047.
Our highly skilled teams are energizing the world.
We are delivering the turbine and generators for the first SMR projects.
We are supplying the world's most powerful turbine for the nuclear power plant.